start with the, so let's start with the test case. So login page test case, we haven't started, right? We just started with the page initialization, right? So we are just initializing the pages, all the pages. What are all the pages we need? We are just initializing them. So let's see. So what are the pages we need? Those pages. So we required home page, definitely. We required a registration page because we are going to click on this continue button in the registration section. Then login page we need. Then my account page we need. And forget password page also, because we are going to click on that forget password validation also, right? That one. And so log out also, you will log out. So that's why log out also we need. So take all those pages, log out page. Okay, so next to forget password also. Okay, right. Forget password.
Already there, Ramesh.
Forget password. Okay, is there. Okay, okay. We have already. Yeah, then we are good with all the. So then we need to, so just so understand the functional flow here. So what we need to do, you need to navigate to login page, right? That you can call directly. Only one time we need to log. So navigate. So that navigate to this page, you can put one time only. So I can just put log.info. So navigate to login page. So home page dot. So navigate to login page. This is the method you need to call. So add throws declaration. Add throws declaration. That's it. So in the before method, this is the same, but we have to use a login page object. Login page dot. So wait for page load. So 2000. So that is the one. And yeah, one by one test case we need to write now. So let's go and write one by one test cases. Test case one, you logged into this page, right? Okay, let me go to. Yeah. So once you navigate to this one, you can write a different test cases, right? So we can First test case, maybe page titles, getting the page titles. That is the one we can get. Then we can verify the login page URL. So this URL is changing, right? You can see that. Let me down. So this, can you see this? Yeah, that's an assertion, basically assertion, one assertion, because you landed in the correct page. Either you can do this one also, verification of the headers or any so unique thing we need to verify. So we'll do first, so verifying the login page URL. Okay, so let's do login page URL. So first one, verify the login page URL. So I'm just verifying the login page URL. So change here also, verify login page URL test. Page URL test. So verify the login page URL. Next, asset true. And you can put an object name. The object name is login page, right? So log. So control space bar you press and automatically you will get login page. That's it. Then, so this one, you can just check that. So login page dot get login page URL. So there is a method get login page URL dot contains. So I'm just checking. So basically we want a Boolean value, right? That's why Boolean value I'm giving. So constants class, so dot login page fraction URL. So you can see this one. So automatically you will get so fraction URL you're giving in this entire URL. So that's the one test case we are doing. Then second test case you can do. So verify the login page title test. Verify the login page title test. Login page title. Verify login page title test. Verify login page title test. Asset data asset equals. And you can just, you need to take a login page control space bar I can press and select the object name. Then login page dot get title. So that's the asset equals, right? Asset equals means you have to give a actual value and expected value. So constants dot, so login page title you can put. You can just put a login page title. Okay, so that's the next test case. So then I can put, so test case 3. So you can see the one by one methods here and we can write one by one. Next to verify the, so what are the login page elements are there? All those elements you can put in one so page, right? So I can just put verify the login page elements. So what are the login page elements? You can just write verify login page elements. Verify login page elements. So verifying the login page elements. So one by one, we need to verify. Asset dot asset true. Login page dot. So what is the elements we are verifying? So we'll just check that. Dot is new customer, right? New customer header exist. That's one thing. Next. So all the exist methods I'm calling here one by one. So headers we are verifying one by one. Is returning customer, right? The next one is, so just now we have seen that is returning customer header exist. Next, what element we have? Just see that. Go to page. What method we have written? Is a new customer. This is returning. Is login breadcrumb exist. So that's the next method. So that also we can develop. Next. That's it. So these are the Boolean commands. That Boolean commands, if you want to check, you have to use asset true or asset false. So that is the one. So test cases. So you need to do that. Next test case is, so maybe next I can do anyone. So navigating to registration page, navigating to forget password page, next test case, then do the invalid credentials, then do the valid credentials. So these are all the test cases we need to do one by one. Okay, so let's do that. So next test case is, okay, already here. So we got it, navigating to registration page test. So navigate to registration page test. So that's exactly matching. So you can put navigate to registration page from login page. So home page, instead of home page, you have to use login page dot. So there will be a method, I think. Dot. So what is the method is there? So did we use navigate? Navigate to forget password is there. Navigate to registration page is not there. Okay. So what is the method? Let's go and see this. Navigate to, click new customer continue button. Do login. Oh, we didn't write, click on this new customer continue button. Okay, we have this new customer continue button. So this one only. Maybe you can change this to navigate to registration page, right? Or otherwise, this also fine. Let's go to our test case. Okay. So then it will navigate to that page. Then you need to verify, wait for some time, okay? Wait for some time. So registration page, wait for this. And verify the registration page title. I said that click on rig home page, home icon. So basically broad, no, that breadcrumb home icon we are clicking. So then you'll come back to login page. Or otherwise you can click on there is a login link also there. Either you can click on the home icon, registration home icon, or it will go to again home page. So you should not use this one. You have to use, there will be a click on login link, this one. Then you will land in the click navigate back to login page. That's it. Okay. So that's another test case. Next. We have next test case. Navigate to forget password page. Forget password page. Forget password page test. We can add this same thing here. So then you can say login page object dot login page object dot. So navigate to forget password page. Just calling the methods, all the methods, whatever the methods you have written, just call them back. Right? So then you need to use forget password page object. So you have to wait there, right? Forget password page, here it is, this object. Okay, so then verify so wait for a page load. It will wait for that, it will go there. So then verify the forget password page title. Okay, so you can verify the forget password page title. Password page. So clearly if you write it so that it is easy for you when you're debugging something. So when it failed, it's easy to debug. That's why you have to write loggers. So loggers will help always. So make sure that so you get a easily catch that issue where it is failing, all those things. So that case it will help you. Forget password get title and constants dot forget password page title. Forget password page title. So this is how we can do that. And then so log.info, you can navigate back to the forget password page. So navigate back to login page, right? Login page. So how you can do that? So you can click on there is a back button. Click on back button. So So there will be a back button. Click back. Okay, that is a forget password object. See, the object reference you have to use properly. Otherwise, you won't get it right method. Click back. What is that method did we develop? We get to login page. Okay, we have given this name. That's it. So that's a fifth test case. Next. So registration page navigation test case is done. That means you are testing each and every part in the page. That's what I want to tell you here. In the page, you have to test everything. So which one? So we don't know when it is going to break. So that's why you have to test every scenario. That's the automation will test and give it to you the result. Next. So you can do a negative test case, right? When you click on this, empty credential test. So don't input anything. Just click on login button. Then you need to get this no match for email address and our password. So you have to get that. So get it and you can see that. So let's empty credentials. So login test. Empty credentials, login test, right? So remember this, we can get it. I think we are getting a method, right? So to get that message, there is a method we have written. Get empty credential error message. Okay, this one. So this method you can reuse there. Okay. So write the test case. So next test case we need to develop only 5. And, so I need to write test case 6, right? Test case 6 we need to develop. And then so empty credentials, login test. So empty credentials. Empty credentials login test. So you don't need to even enter username password, right? You can directly uh, maybe if you want, you can input, you can call the do login and give the blank data, but still sometimes it will store. Better to call, right? Better to call do login method and give that. So provide empty credentials. Empty credentials. And so here you need to call the method do login. So I'm just giving this empty credentials. So you have to, it will stay in the same page. So I have to use the same page. You wait there and then, so you get the So verify that empty credentials error message. Okay, so we can assert it. Set true I will use, because so the value it is going to be different. That's why I'm going to use assert true. Login page dot you are getting. So login page dot, remove this. Login page dot get. What is the valid method name?
Get error message.
Empty credentials error message, right? Yeah, this one. Empty, but this one is a no, you will get a complete length and contains. So what you want to verify, just you give your own message. Maybe we store. So let's see whether we stored in the constants utils, right? Constants, any error message. So did we store? Is fraction URL. Login no match error message. This is what, right? You will get. So you can use this class dot constants class dot this one. I don't need to use directly. I can call constants dot. That's it. So you can remove all these things we don't need. That's a simple test case. So now you can do actual test case, that is so test case 7, happy path are valid, right? You can do valid login test or happy path login test. Happy path login test. So then login page dot do login, what you want to give. So you need to read the username password from resource, the config.properties file right here. So here you have this config.properties file. Here from here, you have to read this username and password. How can you read that? So we have a resource bundle. So resource bundle concept is there. So resource bundle we used, you remember that? Resource bundle dot. So there is a method get a string method. So this is a string value you are getting. So you give the key. What is the key? Username. Exactly same you have to give. So whatever you know, so the value is the same way you have to give. Username. Second one also similar. So here I think you have to give so password, right? Then we have given PWD. So you can see all of them here. So exactly same name you have to give, this one and this one. That's what I provided here. Next. Once that is done, so where it will go? It will go to my account page, right? So you have to use my account, my account object dot wait for page load, right? Then verify the my account page title. So my account page dot. So you can use set equals here. So my account page dot get title, right? So get title, and then so this one is comma constants class dot sorry my account page title. So that's it. So this is the another test case. So it will go there and you can do that. So all verifications we are doing. So title verification we are doing. Similar way, once you log in, that's a login page will be over. You have to log out. So that log out we are going to do. So once you log in and we'll rejoin